cut one of the bags of feed.
Oh, look at that. There's a bag of feed that busted when I opened it up.
Yeah, you can. Oh, again.
Got one on this side too, look. There's another one on the other side.
At the bottom. I'm taking the plastic over.
Now we're going to unload the feed and see how many more bags there are.
So that's two right there for sure. You can see.
Oh, look what we have here. A bag that was busted without us touching it. Gonna put that to the side.
Open.
Oh, there. Another busted bag. Good catch, brother.
Watch it bust it.
Uh-oh. Is that one we saw already?
Yeah. Oh, another one.
See that camera? Look, another one. Another busted bag of feed.
That one can't have much in it either.
This one's gonna be a 6-10. All right, I believe.
That one's
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 busted bags. Thank you for viewing.